Hello there, friends. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. On the menu today is one of my childhood all-time favorites. It's light soup, authentically made my way. When I was about 16 years old, I would save all my pocket money, travel all the way to a supermarket, and buy all the crucial ingredients I needed to throw it down. And when I got home, that's exactly what I did. Even my mom will come and peek a few times in the kitchen. She won't interfere, but then she'll tell me, Mama, and Mama is my pet name. She'll go, Mama, don't make the soup too spicy. You know I can't take too much pepper, because I really like to try the soup. It was that good. I don't want to talk too much. Let's wash our hands so we can throw it on again. So friends, the multiple layers of surprises in this soup is what makes it so special. All of the ingredients have been well thought out, including the techniques, the proteins. There are a variety of them. They've all had some sort of special treatment, so they have big personalities that you're bringing to the party, so you know the soup is going to be delicious. So this pot is going to go on high heat because I'm going to be searing my homemade bone-in and boneless beef. I also have some connective tissue that I left on purpose on this beef because I love the texture it brings to the table when it's done cooking. I've added some finely chopped onions, and I'm just going to while that's happening, I'm going to blend some onions, ginger, garlic. Some aniseed went in, also called nkete in Ghana, and I just also added some white peppercorns and some water. Just blend till really smooth. We'll incorporate it at some point. Now you see the searing has happened. You can only imagine the flavor and aroma right now. I just added some parboiled cow foot, as well as some snails and some crab. The crab is going to bring us that much needed sweetness. Oh my goodness gracious. You just have to try the recipe, and don't forget to season. So we add some salt, and we've also added our blended ingredients, and you want to stir it. Right? When you stir it, you also release the seared bits on the bottom and just incorporate it in the soup. You want to cover it, because right now what we're trying to do here is develop that base. When you're cooking a soup, you need a very strong base. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to cover the pot and let that base take its time to develop. That's important and crucial in bringing us that big flavor in the end. While that's happening, we want to boil some vegetables. So I have my aubergine or eggplants, which we call garden eggs in Ghana. I have the purple and the green kind. So they're all gonna go in, and then I also add one large red bell pepper. I just remove the seeds, and then one medium-sized red onion also goes into the pot. Add some water. It's going to go on the stove and just get boiled for about 15 minutes until it is tender to be blended. I also add 2 Roma tomatoes. I don't need a whole lot of tomatoes in the soup. Cover the pot and let it just boil till it is tender, and then we'll blend it up. And I promised some surprises, so here comes the next one, fricassee. I have cracked it a couple of times with my knife, and now I'm roasting it over open flame. The reason I roast and crack it is because it helps to release the flavor from inside the pot. That's where the actual aroma is. Now fricassee brings us that authenticity that this soup needs, okay? So you want to now insert it into its own spot in that soup. So move things around. Don't be afraid to do so. Yeah, they all know this is a highly esteemed invited guest. Now cover it and let it continue to cook. Now I love fricassee because it's also medicinal, so that's really, really good. Not only is it delicious, but it's also good for you. Win-win. So our vegetables are done cooking. They're nice and tender and ready to be blended. And I'm going to use this broth right here that we cooked them in to blend them till super smooth. Now I have some more surprises coming your way, so make sure you keep watching. These ingredients have been blended. It's nice and smooth and perfect. So my next surprise is koobi, which brings us its own unique, lovely personality. Personality I like to call bonde. And Bonde said it. You know what I'm talking about? Now, if you know what bonde is, you need to leave me a comment. about bonde. Translate it for the rest of us to all know what bonde is. All right. Now, I've also added some mushrooms for nice earthiness and also different texture, something different to bite into. And I've also, for that smoky factor, added some dry smoked fish. Now, if I had amane, amane is dry smoked herrings. Perfect in a soup like this. Now I've added my blended ingredients and rinsed the blender and added some water to it because it's now going to take its time and simmer down on the lowest heat setting. So you want to scrape the sides of your pot as it cooks, because as it cooks and simmers down, it reduces. All right, now look at this and tell me that's not flavor you're looking at right now. Capable of waking up your furthest neighbor who comes knocking on your door and it's like, I need a little bit, just a little bit of whatever it is you're cooking. That's what food should do to you. Wake you up from your deepest slumber. Now it is time to revive the freshness of this beautiful soup with some more color and vibrant ingredients. I have some chilies of different colors, okra, and as well as some aubergine or eggplant in different colors, because you eat with your eyes first. Now look at this soup. You want to indulge, don't you?
Yes, friends! Fufu is ready. Soup is ready. You all know what time it is. Let's eat.
Yes, yes. Dish the soup over this beautiful soft fufu. Fufu trying. Fufu aso. Oba pa bekanasem. Aso so biawadiye. You work hard, so indulge hard, okay? Thank you for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.